Okay, lads, we're going to take a look at solving. So for solving, the first question we have here, what you're doing when you're asked to solve is you're asked to find x. So that's what solving means. It means find x. So just make sure anytime you see the word solve, you're looking to find x. It doesn't always have to be x now, but you're looking to find the letter. So if I take a look at this first question here, then I'm looking to get x on its own. So I need to isolate everything else. I need to just get this bit on its own and move everything else away. So I need to get rid of the 2 and I need to get rid of the minus 14. So to do that, I'm going to get rid of what's furthest away from the x first. So I'm going to bring the 14 across. And when that comes across the equals, it's going to change to be a plus 14. So my second line would be 2x equals 20 plus 14. So it's going to be 2x then. When I add that, it's going to give me 34. And then to divide both sides by 2 to get x on its own. And I get x is equal to 17. Okay, that's the first question. There's questions like that on page 65. Question 7, you can give a go at them if you want. I'm going to keep going and answer the next part of this. So the next question then, question 2. For this question, I now have n's on both sides. So it's a different letter, but I'm solving still, so I'm solving to find n. So I need to get all the n's onto one side. So I am going to swap that minus 3 and that 2n. So I'm going to bring the 2n over, and I'm going to bring the 3 over. So that I then have 8n stays there, the 3n is gone, the 2n comes across and becomes minus 2n. I keep my 21 over there, and that 3 becomes a plus 3. So now 8n take away 2n gives me 6n. 21 and 3 is going to give me 24. So divide both sides by 6, and I'm left with n is equal to 4. Okay, the questions like that then are also on page 65. Question 8, and again, try them up to question part F, so A to F, and then we can take a look at doing the next one. So the last question here then is solving when there is brackets. So before I can solve, I need to get rid of the brackets. So how I get rid of the brackets is what we were doing before, multiplying out the brackets. So that becomes 2x, and that becomes minus 4 equals 3x and plus 6. So now we're back doing what we were doing earlier. I'm going to take that 3x and I'm going to move it over to this side. I'm going to take that minus 4 and I'm going to move it over to the right hand side. So that's going to be 2x minus 3x is equal to 6, and the 4 becomes a plus 4. So now 2x take away 3x gives me a minus x, or a minus 1x, and that's equal to 10. Now I don't want minus 1x, I just want 1, so I need to divide both sides by minus 1. I'm left with x then is equal to minus or plus over minus gives me a minus answer, so my answer is minus 10.